Want to welcome more guests to your B&B? Learn how to make it more accessible. Hey there, amazing viewers. Enjoy our episodes? Don't just hover around, dive deeper. Hit that subscribe button like it's the key to a treasure chest of bed and breakfast knowledge, and ring that bell like you're summoning fun directly to your screen. Subscribe, ring, and let's keep your adventure rolling. Welcoming guests with health conditions or impairments can seem challenging. However, it offers unique opportunities for your B&B. Imagine the joy of creating an inclusive environment where everyone feels at home. Let's explore how to make your B&B a haven for guests with health conditions or impairments and why it matters. Great news! The InsideTrack Mastering Your B&B Business course has been revitalized and relaunched. Unlock your B&B's potential with the InsideTrack Mastering Your B&B's Business course, tailored for both new and experienced innkeepers. Our course offers 49 lessons across 11 modules, covering everything from crafting unforgettable guest experiences to navigating industry regulations. Learn at your own pace with videos, MP3s, and PDFs, and solidify your knowledge with end-of-the-module quizzes. Whether you're starting fresh or refining your B&B, this course equips you with insider insights to transform your property into a standout destination. Click the link to see how you can benefit. Don't miss out on this game-changing opportunity to elevate your bed and breakfast business. Making your B&B accessible isn't just about compliance. It's about creating a warm, welcoming atmosphere for all your guests. Start with the basics: ramps, wide doorways, and accessible bathrooms. These features can transform your B&B into a place where everyone can relax and enjoy their stay. Designing rooms for accessibility requires thought. Ensure there's enough space for wheelchairs to move freely. Place light switches and power outlets at reachable heights. Providing seating in the shower. Small adjustments can make a big difference. Consider adding visual alarms for guests with hearing impairments. Voice-activated assistants can help guests with mobility issues control their environment. These additions show you value their comfort. Clear communication is vital. Include information about your accessible features on your website. Be specific. Detail the dimensions of the doorways, the height of the beds, the type of shower facilities available. This transparency helps guests with health conditions and impairments make informed decisions. Respond promptly to any questions. Use clear and concise language. Avoid jargon. Your goal is to make your guests feel comfortable and welcome even before they arrive. Staff training. Your staff play a critical role in creating an inclusive environment. Train them to assist guests with health conditions or impairments. Teach them about the different needs and how to address them. This could range from guiding guests with visual impairments to understanding how to communicate with someone who is deaf. Appealing to guests with health conditions or impairments isn't just morally right, it's also good for business. Guests with health conditions or impairments often travel with companions. This means more bookings and higher occupancy rates. Moreover, word of mouth among this special community can boost your reputation. By being inclusive, you also attract a broader range of guests. Families with young children, elderly guests, and those recovering from injuries all appreciate accessible features. It's about creating a comfortable experience for everyone. It might seem daunting at first, but embracing accessibility can be a rewarding journey. You learn, adapt, and grow. Your B&B will become a place where everyone feels at home, and the smiles on your guests will make it feel worthwhile. Confused by the barrage of statistics and strategic planning for your bed and breakfast? I've got the perfect solution. Our Crafting the Perfect Stay 25 Essential Insights for Bed and Breakfast Owners PDF is your free lifeline. It's essential as your daily coffee, packed with actionable insights. Grab yours today and begin the journey to transform your B&B into an extraordinary experience for every guest. Have you adapted your B&B for accessibility? Share your experiences in the comments. Creating an accessible B&B is about more than meeting regulations. It's about showing empathy and understanding. It's about creating a space where everyone feels welcome and valued. By making these changes, you're not just enhancing your B&B, you're making a difference in people's lives. In the next episode, I will talk about dealing with language barriers. And that's a wrap of today's episode of Beds, Breakfasts, and Business. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and share with your friends. Remember, it's more than just the comfy beds and delicious breakfasts. It's about crafting an unforgettable experience. Stay inspired and keep those guest books full. Until next time, sweet dreams and sweeter success.